I'm Naima.
And I'm Andrew. We're orientation leaders with the University of Victoria.
And we're here today at Thrifty Foods Tuscany Village Community Kitchen teaching you guys how not to starve.
So we have a Thrifty Foods recipe today. We're making BBQ Pita Pizzas.
With this recipe, you can find it online on thriftyfoods.com, and you can find out the nutritional info and more info, as well as the information will be listed below in the video.
So if you don't have a grill, you can use a conventional oven or a toaster oven. If you're using a conventional or toaster oven, you need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you're using a toaster oven, you need to set it to oven mode.
And what you will need is you'll need some Greek-style pitas without pockets, some mozzarella cheese, some peppers, some pepperoni, and some other ingredients that you can add are onions, spinach, avocado, mushrooms, and some spices.
So I'm using pasta sauce for my pizza.
And I'm going to be using guacamole for mine. I'm just taking some avocado. Just going to mash it. With avocado, you should use it right at the moment you're going to use it because it will brown really quickly. Just going to put some spices. I have some chili in here, some pepper, some salt, and some garlic. Just give it a good little mix. Next up is to use some lime. Lime gives it a little bit of extra flavor. Do you want to continue making your pizza?
Sure. I'll add some peppers to mine. A couple of pieces of pepperoni.
Oh, what about cheese?
I'll definitely have some cheese on top as well.
I think I'm going to add some spinach to mine.
Good choice, good choice.
Maybe some onions and some mushrooms. They're almost ready to go in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna go put them in the oven.
So it'll only take 10 minutes. It's that simple.
Those look so good.
Here they are. Brought to you by UVic Orientation, and special thanks to Thrifty Foods Tuscany Village.